Today we're going to learn how to draw a Triceratops. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil for this, and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. Let's take our pencil and start drawing a line in the middle of the page. Add a big arch on top so that you form a semicircle. Then draw a smaller, flatter circle underneath. This will be the body of the Triceratops. Now it's time for its legs. Draw two flared lines that look like a tree trunk at the bottom of its body. Draw a curved line coming out of the side of its body for the tail. Triceratops have big heads, so draw a big oval shape. For his mouth, draw out two lines that meet to form a point. At the top of its head, draw a curved line upwards. Then mark out another, but smaller, curved line into the dinosaur's body, starting from where his head and body meet. Then connect the end points from both of these lines. Mark out three lines coming out of the dinosaur's head to represent his horns, and then it's time to grab a pen to fill in our line work. Inside our Triceratops' head, draw a small oval shape for his eye and begin to shade half of this shape for his pupil. Take your pen and begin outlining your dinosaur's head. When reaching the lowest point of his head, draw a small wiggly line to define the Triceratops' mouth. Then carry on marking out the rest of its head. Now it's time to move on to the horns. Using the horn markings as a central guideline, draw a triangle around each of your horns. Around the top of your dinosaur's head, draw little semicircles, a frill-like pattern. Once completed, begin marking over our tree stump legs. Adding in little stumps for the feet and mini semicircles for toes. The final step is to draw around the rest of the body, connecting the tail back to the body and not drawing over our legs. Lastly, add in the rear feet and it's completed. Wait for the pen to dry and then you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a Triceratops. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out to see what else you can draw with just a few simple shapes.